Hello, I'm Dennis the Carpenter. Today I'm at Finch and Bayview. This place is north of Toronto. A few days ago there was a big wind. The fence over here got scraped up and the customer asked us to fix it. The vast majority of wooden fences, after tilting or collapsing, it can be repaired to get it back on its feet. The first step in repairing a fence is to dig a hole. Build a post. The hole, you have to dig deep enough, round enough. Also, the location should be accurate. Maintenance of fences. The location of the lower pile is particularly demanding, as it has to follow the old fence is articulated. Once the piles are in place, after the cement, then you can take the old fence. The connection is back. During this process, because the cement is not completely dry, and a little bit of movement too, because the old fence, over time, some parts have been deformed. So be especially careful when making connections. At the same time, for the muddy part of the fence, like the wood grill, 2x4, and individual fence panels, some replacements can be made. This kind of replacement, it's a huge cost savings over having a new fence made. Saves you a lot of money. If the fence after repair, late, the color of the fence is not consistent, you can go to Home Depot. Go buy some paint for painting.